Good morning, children. Hope everybody has enjoyed very well Onam vacation, isn't it? Okay. After Onam vacation, let us start our second day motions. Today I am going to study mathematics, chapter 4, multiplication. Okay. Already we have studied addition and subtraction. Next step is multiplication. Okay. What is mean by multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. Addition already we have studied. Repeated addition. See here. Here we can see 4 groups of some objects. Okay. In each object, each group has 3 objects. See, first circle, not circle, first group 1, 2, 3. 3 objects in first group. Second group also 3 objects. Third group 3 objects. Fourth group also 3 objects. Here you can see 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. Three plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many 3's are there? 4 3's. So what is the number given? 3 is the number given. 3 is repeated 4 times. 3 is repeated 4 times. So the number given is written first. The number given 3. So write 3 first. Write 3 first. Then how many times it is repeated? How many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 4 times it is repeated. So in the middle put cross. This cross is called in multiplication into. Okay. This symbol is called into in multiplication. So we can say 3 into 4. 3 into 4. See, if you add these 4 3's, three plus 3 6. 3 plus 3 equal 6. Then again 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Again 3 plus 3 equal 6. Then 6 plus 6 equal 12. Okay. 6 plus 6 equal 12. So when we add these 4 3's, we will get the answer 12. Instead of adding all these numbers more times, we can multiply. How many 3's are there? 4 3's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is repeated 4 times. So we can write 3 into 4. The number given is written first. How many times it is repeated? Write second. Okay, in second place. Understood? Then another one we can say see, in one group, 2 objects. Here, 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 is repeated 3 times. The number is given 2. 2 is repeated 3 times. The objects in the group 2. So that is written here. Okay. So 2 is repeated 3 times. Don't write 3 into 2. 2 into 3 should be written. Okay. 2 into 3. In this problem, if you write 3 into 2 is not at all correct. 2 into 3 is correct. Okay. Because 2 is repeated how many times? It says 2 is repeated 3 times. So here when we add these two numbers, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 8, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6. So instead of that, adding more times, you can multiply easily. 2 3s are 6. So multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly. Adding the same number repeatedly. Okay. Now you can say 2 3s are. Notice 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Can write this one also. Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. This sentence you should write in the notebook also. Okay. It will come for exam also. Multiplication is repeated dash. Multiplication is repeated dash. Addition, subtraction, division. That is the answer. Addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Don't forget. Okay. Now let us study multiplication tables. How to read? Here 2 into 1 equal 2 into 2 equal 2 into 3 equal 2 into 4 equal 2 into 5 equal 2 into 6 equal 2 into 7 equal 2 into 8 equal 2 into 9 equal 2 into 10 equal. Here, how to find out answer? See, 2 is repeated only one time. So, 2 ones are 2. Here, 2 is repeated how many times? 2 times. Okay. 2 times. 2 plus 2. That is 2 2s. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 is repeated 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 2 3s. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then 2 is repeated 4 times. 2 is repeated 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 is repeated 5 times. 2 5s are 10. 2 is repeated 6 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 is repeated 6 times. 2 6 are 12. Then 2 is repeated 7 times. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is repeated 7 times. Okay? 2 7s are 14. Then 2 is repeated 8 times. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay. So 2 is repeated 10 times. That is 20. 2 is repeated 9 times. 80. Okay. How to read? 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Okay. Study properly the multiplication tables. Otherwise, you cannot do any problems in multiplication. Okay. Once again, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Understood? So this is the way you study all the tables very well. If you don't know any tables, you study by heart many times. Okay. If you didn't write, you have to copy all the tables to the notebook. Okay. Already you have studied table 1 to 5 in second standard. Now I will write 6 on the table, on the board. Okay. 6. Table 6. Then 1 time. 6. 6 2 times. 6 3 times. 6 4 times. 6 5 times. 6 6 times. 6 7 times. 6 8 times. 6 9 times. 6 10 times. Okay. You can say, you read it. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Study properly. Okay, once again. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Okay. Next. Seven. 7 1 time. 7 2 times. 7 3 times. 7 4 times. 7 5 times. 7 6 times. 7 7 times. 7 8 times. 7 9 times. 7 10 times. Okay. How to read? 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Once again, 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Okay. 8 also. 8 1 time. 8 2 times. 16. 8 3 times. 24, 8 4 times 32, 8 5 times 40, 8 6 times 48, 64, 8 9 times 72, 8 10 times 80. Okay, you can read 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Understood? Once again, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Understood? Now let us study 9. 9 into 1 equal 9. 9 1 time. Then 9 2 times 18. 9 3 times 27. 9 4 times 36. 9 5 times 45. 9 6 times 54. 9 7 times 63. 9 8 times 72. 9 times 81. 9 10 times 90. Okay. Read. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. By heart it very properly. Okay. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Then table 10 is very easy. Okay, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Okay, this is the way you have to study the tables. If you didn't study, you cannot study multiplications. Okay, problems. Then some things you have to remember. Copy all these tables in the notebook. Don't forget. You write the heading second day. Okay. Everybody should write. Here I will tell you 24 into 2. We are multiplying this number. Multiply the heading. Multiply. Here 24 into 2. When you write 2, write in the ones place. We are multiplying by the one digit number. So if there is only one digit, you write always in the unit place. Don't forget it. Okay. See, this number is called a multiplicand. multiplicand. Okay. Then this is called a multiplier. Multiplier. Then we will get the answer now. That is called a, see, let us see, find out answer. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. This answer is called a product. So the answer of multiplication is called product. Understood? Okay. So the answer of addition, what is the answer of addition? Sum. Answer of subtraction, difference. Answer of multiplication, product. Find the product of the following. That means we have to multiply. Okay. So this is the answer. After getting the answer, you have to give underlines, 2 lines. Okay. Multiplicand, multiplier, multiplier. Not the T, okay. Multiplicand, multiplier, product. Understood? Then, what is multiplicand? The number to be multiplied is called a multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called a multiplicand. The number by which any number is multiplied is called a multiplier. The result obtained after multiplication is called a product. Okay, you remember multiplicand, multiplier, product. Okay. Now write fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Here in the textbook, some questions are given here. Okay, first one is 16 into 0. So when we multiply a number by 0, the answer will be 0 only. If there is 0 in any places, if there is 0 in the first place, that is also answer will be 0. Don't forget, don't write 16. Okay, 16 into 0 equal 0. 0 into 16 also 0. Don't forget. If there is 0 in any places, the answer will be, the product will be 0 only. Okay. So 16 into 0 equal 0. Then when we multiply a number by 1, the product will be the number itself. That means 9 is repeated only one time. 9 is repeated only one time. It is not repeated. 9 is written only one time. So that is 9 only. Okay. Don't forget, if there is 1 multiplying by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Then 42 into 0. What will be answer? 0 is there. So answer will be 0. Okay. Here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal 2 columns are there, then last one column. The numbers are not same in the textbook. Okay, it will be different. So you have to check when you write the answer in the textbook. How many times it is repeated. See, number is 3. Okay, so 3 write the first column. Whatever the number given, that number should write in the first column. Then how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 3 sevens are 21. Okay, if you write 7 into 3, it is wrong only. Okay, don't write like that. What is the number given? Write in the first column. How many times it is repeated? Write in the second column. So 3 into 7. Here 9 plus 9 plus 9 equal what is the number given? 9. Write in the first column. Then how many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3. That write in the second column. Then 9 threes are 27. Understood? Then another one. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Then here what is the number given? 8. How many times it is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 fours are 32. Okay, like that you do page number 57. Page number 57. Understood? Multiply the following. Multiply the following. 41 into 3. See the number, the place of the number written? 3. We are multiplying 41 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. 3 fours are 12. See, write the number. Write like this. The number right against the number itself. Don't change the position. 123. Then 36 into 1. See, we are multiplying by 1 now. So when we multiply a number by 1, the number will be, the product will be the number itself. Even though we can multiply 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3, 36. Underline. Okay. One more. 16 into 3. 16 into 3. 3 6 are 18. See, 18 means 1 is remainder now. So write in the left side on the top. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. Underline. Okay. Study multiplication properly. Then tomorrow will be holiday. Then next day we can study. Okay. The remaining. Bye.